Demystifying the Word, Remix. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a word that you might have heard in music, art, or even in popular culture, remix. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it. Let's get started. The term remix originates from the music industry. When we talk about remixing in music, we refer to taking an original song and altering it to produce a new version. This can involve adding new beats, changing the tempo, or even incorporating new melodies. Example: imagine a popular pop song. Now, if a DJ takes that song, adds faster beats and a dance rhythm, we get a remix of that original song. Outside the realm of music, remix has taken on a broader meaning. It can be used to describe any situation where an original idea, work, or concept is taken and modified or reimagined to produce something new. Example: in fashion, designers might take a classic clothing item and remix it by adding modern touches. A classic jacket might be remixed with bold colors or new patterns. Understanding a word is one thing, but knowing how to use it can make you sound even more fluent. Here are some sentences where remix fits perfectly. 1. I love the remix of that classic song. It sounds so fresh. 2. The artist took famous paintings and remixed them with modern elements. 3. Can you remix this design to make it more contemporary? And that wraps up our exploration of the word remix. From music to fashion to everyday conversation, this term has a diverse range of applications. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the word and that you feel confident using it in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.